the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or the ICI, has issued an invitation to Congressman Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez and to appear before the Commission and testify, among others, on the national budget insertions and involvement in DPWH flood control projects from the time he became Speaker of the House. The Independent Commission for Infrastructure has also issued a subpoena duces tecum and ad testificandum against former Congressman Zaldy Co. The hearing is set on October 14, 2025, Tuesday at 10 a.m. This is with regard to his personal knowledge from the time he joined the Committee on Appropriations of the National Budget Insertions and his involvement in DPWH flood control projects.